You know, I can only imagine what they'll come up with next. You know, like stick your hand on an electric stove and burn your hand, see how long you'll last. Brilliant. So, got some of these little metal finger grills in. I kind of like the chrome ones better than the black ones. So I bought a 10 pack for, I don't know, $7-8. And had to expand the eyelets a little bit to get the 1024 screws to go through. And I also drilled out the holes a little bit better. There's the black one. Drill out the holes a little bit better to line this thing up. It was just a little bit off my measurements, so now it's straight. Let me turn the fan on here and show you. Boy, that works good. And also, I went to Lowe's and got some better 1024 screws. These are actually Allen heads, so it'll make it a little bit more difficult to get in there. And I'm not going to do rivets. I'll just do this. So, alright guys, just a quick little video, and here it goes unfocused. Yeah. Little update here, so thanks for watching. We'll see you. Stay warm. It's cold as heck out there.